Prepare your taste buds for an extraordinary dining experience at this unique restaurant where mouth-watering burgers, cheeseburgers, and crispy French fries take center stage. What sets this establishment apart from the ordinary is the fact that its head chef is none other than a robot. Yes, you heard it right, a robot chef. In a groundbreaking announcement, Cali Group, in partnership with Miso Robotics and PopID, has revealed the imminent opening of CaliExpress by Flippy trademark, the world's first fully autonomous restaurant. Nestled in the heart of Pasadena, California, this culinary marvel promises to revolutionize the restaurant industry through cutting-edge technology and innovative concepts. For patrons seeking an exceptional dining experience, CaliExpress by Flippy boasts a menu that includes mouth-watering burgers, cheeseburgers, and perfectly crispy French fries, all cooked to perfection by state-of-the-art robotic chefs. The secret to its extraordinary burgers lies in the grill robot's real-time beef grinding, resulting in melt-in-the-mouth perfection. Meanwhile, Flippy, the celebrated robotic fry station, guarantees hot and crispy fries made from top-grade potatoes, cooked to exacting standards. This combination of automation and high-quality ingredients ensures an unparalleled dining experience. However, it's not just customers who will benefit from this technological marvel. For restaurant employees, CaliExpress by Flippy represents a paradigm shift in kitchen operations. The revolutionary automation not only enhances safety by significantly reducing the risk of accidents like slips and burns, but also reduces food and oil wastage. Moreover, this autonomous kitchen can function with a smaller crew, creating a less stressful working environment while providing above-average wages for employees. John Miller, CEO of PopID and a board member of Miso Robotics, emphasized, "To our knowledge, this is the world's first operating restaurant where both ordering and every single cooking process are fully automated." He expressed his excitement about the culmination of years of research, development, and investment in a family of revolutionary companies, marking a new era in the restaurant industry. AI-powered robotic order-taking and cooking enables the major chains that feed America to substantially improve quality, consistency, and speed. With CaliExpress by Flippy, the dream of an autonomous restaurant is now a reality, promising a taste of the future of dining. Scheduled to open in December 2023 by reservation only, CaliExpress by Flippy is set to captivate and amaze. For those eager to experience this culinary revolution, visit misorobotics.com/CaliExpress for reservations, special offers, and tour information.